Yes, I am a part of a lost generation, and I refuse to believe that I can change the world. I realize this may be a shock, but happiness comes from within is a lie, and money will make me happy. That happiness comes from within is a lie, only money can make me happy. So, in 30 years, I will tell my children they are not the most important thing in my life. My employer will know that I have my priorities straight because work is more important than family. I tell you this, once upon a time families stayed together, but this will not be true in my era. This is a quick fix society. Experts tell me 30 years from now I'll be celebrating the 10th anniversary of my divorce. I do not concede that I will live in a country of my own making in the future. Environmental destruction will be the norm. No longer it can be said that my peers and I care about this earth. It will be evident that my generation is apathetic and lethargic. It is foolish to presume there is hope. This all will happen. Understand? This all will happen. What meanings you will come to know? This all will truly happen, or this is happening right now, isn't it? If you look into yourself, if you go into deep down into your situation, and you see everyone during this time, or the past few years, or the coming years, or the generation during this time, everybody is doing work, 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 and money, 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 running after money. Everyone is thinking work is more important than family. Money can buy things, it cannot buy happiness, it cannot buy peace, it cannot buy unity, it cannot bring that togetherness, it cannot bring that feeling. Money is needed. Obviously, we all know money is needed, we have to create. So, if money is everything needed, if this is that, why isn't the world changing? But see, world is changing. Yesterday, about so many trees were planted in Bihar. It's a record about on the world environment or the world green revolution day. Something was happening, and Bihar has made a record by planting so many trees, even though restrictions have been broken. But this had to be done. Trees have to be planted. Then only we'll be able to save our earth. But in this part, he says because of the war, people have lost so many things. We have become materialistic. We believe only in things. We don't believe in feelings. We don't believe our heart anymore. We only see money. We only see our car. We only see our TV. We want to always upgrade. If I have a phone, if the phone is only used for hello, if someone else has got a better phone, I envy that. I want to go and have money. So crime increases also. Hate increases. Money will buy hate, jealousy, corruption. So that is what we are trying to say here. The poet is trying to say. This generation is pathetic and lethargic. No feeling, no interest. There is no fun in this life anymore. It's only money, 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 work, work, work. But this lockdown, when there is no work, people are there at home. Now they are enjoying, they are seeing what is actual family, right? But now, when someone will say to go to work, you'll say, oh my god, 4 months I've been like this, now work. So we get into that generation habit, of being together. But family is the most important thing. If we carry on like this, the poet is saying, I'll be getting divorced in 10 years' time, I'll be saying, this is my 10th divorce. Right, that's what he says here. Uh, I'll be celebrating the 10th anniversary of my divorce. That means 10 years. 30 years from now, I'll be celebrating my 10th anniversary of my divorce. That will be he's left his family 10 years. I will live in a country of my own making in the future. It's all made by me. Environmental destruction is made by me. I am cutting down trees. I am making pollution. I am using. I am not keeping my place clean. Will be the norm. It will be the normal thing. My peers, the people who think same as me, or we have the same ideology. No, my peers and I care about this earth. Who will say no longer that we care about it? If we don't take care of it, my generation hasn't got that feeling. Lethargic. We are very. We don't have that energy anymore. It is foolish to presume that there is hope, that something will get better. This is the lost generation. The world war. We lost so many. A lost generation. So many people died. And I refuse to believe that I can change the world. I realize this may be a shock, but happiness comes from within. Is a lie. And money will make me happy. So in 30 years, I will tell my children they are not the most important thing in my life. My employer will know that I have my priorities straight because work is more important than family. Employer will be happy, always working, as if employer doesn't have a family, his family is also suffering. I'll tell you this, once upon a time, families stayed together, but this will not be true in my area. This is a quick fix society. You'll see, I have seen people in Kolkata, I don't know, Bihar also I see, everyone is busy on their mobiles. Husband, wife in Kolkata, they are going together, both earphone, they are talking with someone else. They have gone for marketing, they are talking busy on their phone. Children have got their own phones at home. They are busy with their life. Sitting at the breakfast table or eating food, mobile, going on eating. What is this? Materialistic life. Life has changed. That peace, that togetherness is no more there. Always taking selfies. What is there taking selfies? You are what you are. Just try to be without some materialistic things for some time. We don't talk on the phone anymore. We are always on WhatsApp. Or we are on some other app doing something. Either it was before some time ago, it was TikTok. Or we are at the TV. Or I am with my bike or with my cycle. Oh, I bought this today. I bought that today. I did this today. My house has got this. My house has got that. But we don't talk about our family. Next 30 years is going to change if this keeps on happening. So, why don't we read the poem from the backside? Okay? And see what happens. When we read the poem from the backward side, the poem will start uplifting our thinking. There is hope. It is foolish to presume that my generation is apathetic and lethargic. It will be evident that my peers and I care about this earth. No longer can it be said that environmental destruction will be the norm in the future. I will live in a country of my own making. I do not concede that 30 years from now I will be celebrating the 10th anniversary of my divorce. Experts tell me this is a quick fix society, but this will not be true in my era. Families stayed together once upon a time. I will tell you this. Family is more important than work. I have my priorities straight because my employer will know that. They are the most important things in my life. So in 30 years I will tell my children money will make me happy is a lie. And true happiness comes from within. I realize this may be a shock, but I can change the world. And I refuse to believe that I am a part of the lost generation. Okay, you understood this? I read it from backwards, so it's going to give you the positive about this poem, what it should be actually, what life should be. So, Try reading this and reading and doing it backwards again. This is going to true. There is hope that it is foolish to presume my generation is apathetic and lethargic. My generation is good. We are doing so. Think about it, read it, try to read it backwards. We'll come back in the next class and I'll explain more and then I'll help you out. And please, for homework, do the question answers. Answer the following squills. Okay? That you have to do. Learn the word meanings properly. Okay? So till then, take care. Bye bye and respect your parents and think about the future. Think about your life generation right now. Okay? God bless. Take care and Jai Hind. Happy Independence Week.